Top 5 amazing airplane crash landings in the world. You could focus on miraculous stories of survival, emphasizing the bravery of pilots, crews, and passengers. Here's a possible structure for the video. Flight 1, U.S. Airways Flight 1549, the Miracle on the Hudson, 2009. Location, Hudson River, New York. Incident, after striking a flock of geese, both engines failed. Captain Chesley Sully plane in the Hudson River. Why it's amazing, all 155 passengers and crew survived due to Sully's expert gliding and water landing. Visuals include clips or images of the plane in the river with passengers on the wings. 3. Flight 2, Air Canada Flight 143, the Gimli Glider, 1983. Location, Gimli, Manitoba, Canada. Incident, due to a miscalculation in fuel measurement, the plane ran out of fuel mid-flight. The pilots successfully glided the plane to an old runway, which was being used as a drag racing strip. Why it's amazing, despite losing all engine power, the pilots safely landed the plane without any fatalities. Visuals show images or models of the Boeing 767 and the Gimli airstrip. Flight 3, British Airways Flight 38-008. Location, London Heathrow Airport, UK. Incident, the plane experienced a dual-engine failure due to fuel flow issues while landing. The pilots managed to glide the plane and crash land just short of the runway. Why it's amazing, although the aircraft crash landed, there were no fatalities among the 150 people on board. Visuals include images of the crash site, showing how close the plane came to the runway. 5. Flight 4, Pan Am Flight 6-1956, location, Pacific Ocean. Incident, after engine failure over the Pacific, the plane had to make an emergency landing in the ocean. The crew successfully ditched the plane, and all 31 people on board were rescued by the Coast Guard. Why it's amazing. This is one of the earliest examples of a controlled ocean landing. Visuals use archival images of the rescue operation. 6. Flight 5, United Airlines Flight 3-1989, location, Sioux City, Iowa, USA. Incident, the plane suffered a catastrophic engine failure that caused a loss of hydraulic systems. The pilots managed to steer the plane using only the engine thrust and attempted a crash landing at Sioux City. Why it's amazing. Although the crash was violent, the crew's efforts helped 185 of the 296 passengers survive. Visuals include video clips or images of the dramatic landing and the survivors. Recap: summarize how these incredible stories of skill and survival demonstrate the resilience of human beings and the importance of training and teamwork in the face of disaster. Call to action: ask viewers to comment on which story they found the most amazing and suggest they stay tuned for more fascinating aviation-related content. These remarkable crash landings highlight the skill of the pilots and the incredible stories of survival. Would you like to add any particular incident or more specific details?